Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I love how JETech has made it really simple to be able to protect your mini iPad 4 without a lot of complications. As soon as I got this cover, it was so easy. I pulled it out of the box. All I had to do was just snap my tablet into place and it was ready to go. And it was really nice how easy it was to be able to use it. So if I decided to be able to open it up and if I wanted to prop it up in order to read or to look at my tablet, it was very firm, held the tablet in place just like I needed it to. I like how the back is made out of a durable hard plastic. And then it also gives a space there to be able to use your camera and to be able to get to the volume buttons and to plug in some headphones. I also like the sleep feature that it has, so whenever you open it, it wakes up, and then when you close it, it puts it to sleep. And it's got a very thin, slim design, so it's easy to carry around and easy to use. So if you're looking for a good, reliable cover to be able to protect your iPad mini 4, I have really liked this one. It's worked really well. And that is just my point of view.